Hello fam, it's another time out with B, and on today's episode I'm going to be sharing with you my number one goal for 2022. This goal is the sum total of everything I want to achieve. Any of my goal that I want to achieve in 2022, if they do not pass this particular goal, it's a no. My goal for this year is to live every day as if it's going to be my last day. I came across the principle of hell yes or no last year. I read a book by Derek something, and I can't really remember the name of the author right now, and it talked about the principle of hell yes or no. It said if something is not and hell yes, then it's a no. There's nothing like maybe or let me think about it. No, it's either a hell yes, that means I'm 100% for it, or it's a no. Okay, and that is what I'm going to be living by in 2022. I just want to share with you because you might see some wisdom out of it and start living by it. That means anything I want to do in 2022, I have to have joy in it. I have to have fulfillment in it. It has to be something that is worth my time, something that is worth doing. It's just like telling someone that they have just a particular amount of days to live on earth. Do you think they will do what they don't want to do? Do you think they will go to the job they do not want to go to, or achieve a particular goal because everybody is saying they should achieve it? They would scrutinize every of their activity. They would be intentional with every single step they take. They will live as if it is their last life, it is their last day on earth. And that is the mentality I want to live by in 2022. That is the mentality I want every one of us to actually live by in 2022, because that is the number one pathway to building a life that we really want, to building a life that we are present in, that we enjoy every moment of it. What is the essence of achieving everything and not finding fulfillment in it? We've heard stories of several people that after they've achieved a particular thing, they end up feeling empty. Why? Because maybe along the way, or while they're setting the goal, it wasn't really their own goal, or they lost interest and they are too into it to even back off. And that is not the way I want us to live in 2022. I want us to live our life to the fullest. According to a survey, an average of 150,000 people die on a daily basis. This year might be your last. You don't know. And I really do not pray that it's going to be our last. But what if something happened this year? Why will you be happy with the way you've lived it so far? Will you be happy with the goals you set out to achieve? This year, find a way to enjoy your life. It might cost you more, it might means you say no to several things, but make sure everything you are doing this year, everything you are achieving this year is something you really want to achieve. It's something that brings you joy and fulfillment. It's something that you know that you want to do it, not because everything around you is saying you should do. So look around. What aspect of your life can you change this year in order for you to start enjoying the year, in order for you to start enjoying your life? What aspects can you change? Is it that clothes? Maybe you don't feel good in a particular clothes. Instead of saying, oh, I would manage it. No, it's either a hell yes or a no. In order for you to live with the principle of hell yes or no, you have to ask yourself this question. Question one is, what do I actually want? It's not what do I want to achieve, or what do I love, or what do I know. What do you actually want? Do you, and I know you want to make a particular amount of money, you want this particular amount of revenue at the end of the year, you want to achieve this, you want to achieve that. This is not a question of what you want to achieve, it's a question of what do you actually want. Now ask yourself in every aspect of your life, what do I want in my career? What do I actually want in my family life, in my relationship? What do I want in my business? It's not about you making making 7-8 figure. It's about what brings you joy, what brings you fulfillment, what is a hell yes for you. And the second question, which is so much more important, is what don't I want? What do I not want in my life this year? Write it down, because when you do not have a clear picture of what you do not want, you start second guessing yourself. When big opportunity come, you start saying, maybe no, it's already on the list of what I do not want. I do not want a fruitless conversation. I do not want something that will keep me occupied without being productive. What don't you want this year? List them out. We act as if we have forever. The actual truth is that we do not have forever here on earth. Our days here on earth is numbered, and it's counting down every year we enter. And the best way to have the great life is to live as if every day is your last, so that when you look back in retrospect, you will be happy about the life you built. This year, I will not leave my happiness to chance. I will not leave my joy to chance. I will not leave my fulfillment and my goals to chance. This year in 2022, I'm going to be intentional about every little thing I do, about the great things, about the little things, about the big and the small things. I'm going to be intentional about the clothes I wear, where I go to, people I communicate with, where I work, or the career I pursue, about my goals for my business, my finance, my body, the things I eat, the things I digest in my system, the things I take into my mind and my spirit. I'm going to be intentional about it, because this year I'm going to live as if I'm dying. I'm going to live as if every day is going to be my last day, and that is the same mindset I want you to live by. Thank you so much for watching. Share with me in the comment section what will be your number one goal for 2021. I would love to hear it. Maybe I can steal one of them. Okay, I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on all the beautiful content coming your way this year. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye.